Welcome to DNXT. We are discussing Class B subnetting. In this video, we'll be discussing slash 23 of Class B. So, slash 23 means there are 23 bits that are assigned to the network, and remaining 9 bits out of total 32 bits, 23 bits are of the network, and remaining 9 bits are of the host bits. These are the host bits, which are 9. And these 23 bits, 16 of the 2 octet, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. These are what? Network bits. Out of these 23 network bits, 16 bits are the major bits. Okay, these are the major network bits. Why? Because for class B, slash 16 is the default CIDR value, which will signify the major network. And that major network we are slicing up into sub network in subnetting. So subnet bits, कितने bits borrow किए यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने? We have borrowed the 7 bits. 7 bits are your sub network bits. So let's convert this subnet mask into decimal format. So that will come out as 255 dot, as all the bits in first two octets are on, it's 255.255.254.0. Since all the bits are 0, in the fourth octet, the value in the decimal will become 0, and 254 is 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 will be 254. Okay. So this is your subnet mask in the decimal format. How many subnetworks you will get? You will get, the formula is 2 to the power x, where x is the number of subnet bits. We have 7 subnet bits over here. So 2 to the power 7. So total 128 subnetworks you will get in slash 23. How many hosts per subnetwork? The formula is 2 to the power y minus 2, और y क्या है यहाँ पे आपके number of host bits. Host bits कितने हैं यहाँ पे हमारे 9. So 2 to the power 9 minus 2. 2 to the power 9 is 512, and we always subtract a number 2 from this number of hosts, because in each subnetwork one IP is designated as a network ID and another is your broadcast ID. So these two IP addresses you cannot assign to your end host, and actually 510 IP addresses you will get that you can assign to your endpoints or host. What will be the increment? Increment is calculated by the formula 256 minus subnet bit value, which is 254 over here. So the increment will be of 2. So let's write down few of the subnetworks. First, we will start with the given IP address 172.16.0.0. Increment is of 2. So 172.16.2.0. Why? Increment we are doing in the third octet because we have borrowed the bits from the third octet. So there will be an increment of 2 according to our formula in the third octet. Next will be 172.16.4.0, 6.0, 8.0, 10.0, sorry, 8.0, then 10.0, 172.16.12.0, 172.16.14.0, 16.0, so on and so forth. What will be the last, that is 128th last subnetwork will be 172.16.254.0. 254 हमेशा आपका जहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है वहां पे सबनेट बीट वैल्यू आएगा in your last subnetwork. That's the trick. Now let's write down their broadcast IDs. 172.16.2.0 के पहले 1.255. तो आईपी एड्रेसेस आपको कैसे मिलेंगे? 170. व्हाट विल बी द फर्स्ट वैलिड होस्ट ओवर हियर? 172.16.0.1, 172.16.0.2, 0.3, 0.4, ऐसे करते करते 0.255. जब 0.255 हो गया, 0.256 नहीं हो सकता, because range lies between 0 to 255. We have only 8 bits in each octet, so the range is from 0 to 255. So when your IP address is 172.16.0.255, the next IP address will be 172.16.1.0, 1.0, 1.1, 1.3, 1.4 till 1.255. जब ये 255 हो गया, then you cannot go for 256. So यहाँ पे there will be an increment of 1. So 2.0, it will become 2.0. तो 2.0 से आपका next सब नेटवर्क स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इसलिए 172.16.1.255 is the broadcast ID over here, because in this case all the host bits are 1. Okay, when all host bits are 1, that is your broadcast ID in that particular subnetwork. Okay, now next 172.16.2.0, इसका ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी 172.16.3.255. ओके, इसका लिखते हैं 172.16. The third octet blank, fourth octet will be definitely 255 because it's purely host octet. So यहाँ पे definitely सारे bits on होंगे तो 255 होगा. The value over here will be one less than the next network ID. तो next network ID क्या है? 12 है यहाँ पे, 2 का इंक्रीमेंट है, it will be 14.0. So 14 का previous number is 13. So आपका broadcast ID will be 172.16.13.255 will be the broadcast ID of this network. कौन सा? 172.16.12.0 का broadcast ID will be 172.16.13.255. Let's write down broadcast ID of the last one. 172.16.255.255. Simple. Last octet, since it's purely host, will always be 255, and the previous one जहाँ पे increment हो रहा है वो क्या होगा? next sub network का previous number. अभी यहाँ पे next sub network तो है ही नहीं, this is the last sub network, last number ही आएगा, that is 255. Okay, that's all about /23. We'll be discussing /24 in the next video. Stay tuned with DNXT. Thank you.